Get ready to be captivated as we dive into the electrifying world of Elon Musk and the much-anticipated Tesla Model Y Juniper. This is more than just a car. It's a game-changer that's already generating massive buzz. Discover why the wait for the Model Y Juniper will be worth every electrifying moment. Elon Musk probably foresaw his all-electric small SUV, the Tesla Model Y, becoming one of the best-selling cars on the market when it hit the drawing board. It was designed considering an SUV's versatility while remembering Tesla's signature performance and efficiency. The fifth model. When introduced, it was the fifth model in the Tesla lineup, joining its infamous siblings, the Model S, Model 3, and the Model X. According to YouTuber Ryan Shaw, Tesla is working hard to crack the Model Y Juniper project. Considering the all-new 2024 Tesla Model 3 looks sleeker and comes loaded with more tech, the current Model Y will be left behind in every aspect, including design, features, and performance. The Model Y is based on the Tesla Model 3 sedan, but offers more space for passengers and cargo. What made it stand out mainly was its terrific range and performance. Typical attributes of Tesla. Amidst the sea of electric cars, the Model Y raised the bar. Here's why the Tesla Model Y Juniper will be worth waiting for. Tesla Model Y Juniper could feature substantial changes. Tesla fans would likely be happy to see the Tesla Model Y Juniper turn to fruition. Firstly, it must sport a fresh look like the all-new Tesla Model 3. The Model Y Juniper must be streamlined, featuring sharper lines and smoother surfaces. It could borrow some of the styling cues from the new Model 3 sedan. Up front, it could feature a sharper bumper, slimmer headlights, and a hood that sweeps slightly lower. The rear end could have 2024 Model 3 look-alike taillights. According to Reuters, Project Juniper will include exterior and interior enhancements to start production in 2024. This was revealed by two people who preferred staying anonymous. With the all-important revamp, Tesla intends to address cutthroat markets like the United States and China to ensure they remain bestsellers. This would be a clever move and in the right direction since other manufacturers are unveiling many new electric vehicles. 2024 Tesla Model Y pricing is expected to be competitive. It is also mentioned that similar to Project Highland, Project Juniper is expected to improve Tesla's substantial production cost advantages further, solidifying its leadership over competitors in the industry. This should allow the American EV automaker to keep the Tesla Model Y's price the same or reduce it to some extent. It is also said that a rear screen and ventilated seats will make their way to the new small SUV. This is a sensible idea, given that the competition already has it. Regarding safety features, the front-facing camera we've seen on the new Model 3 is likely to make it to the Model Y Juniper. Is 2024 an accurate target, or will it be delayed like the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck? Only time will tell. Once the new Model 3 is out of the US, though, it will likely trigger curiosity among those anticipating the next Model Y. Tesla Model Y Juniper performance could excite consumers. The current Model Y can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and manages a top speed of 155 miles per hour. We expect it to feature the same one-pedal driving system that makes the car slow down when the driver takes their foot off the throttle. This feature is now found on most other electric models as well. Knowing Tesla well, customers could expect a stiffly sprung suspension setup with minimal roll. The battery pack, which will likely come with a better capacity, will sit on the floor, pulling the center of gravity down. Tesla Model Y Juniper could feature updated driver assistance systems. The current Model Y features adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, allowing you to distance yourself from the vehicles in front of you. It also helps in keeping you in your lane. What is currently offered as an upgrade should be standard, like self-parking, automatic lane changes, and a function called Summon, which lets you maneuver the car remotely via the Tesla smartphone app. Another feature we expect to be updated is the autopilot system, which has seen improvement ever since its debut in 2014. Anticipating the 2024 Tesla Model Y Juniper. Production and pricing insights. Tesla's production timeline for the 2024 Model Y Juniper points to a production start in October 2024, with customer deliveries likely commencing in late 2024. While the exact pricing details for the new Model Y are not yet confirmed, Tesla's commitment to competitive pricing suggests that the starting price could be around $49,000, maintaining accessibility for a wide range of buyers. After becoming the best-selling car globally in Q1 2023, everyone is eagerly awaiting the upcoming 2024 Model Y Juniper. As Tesla keeps making electric cars better, the Model Y Juniper is all set to wow the world and set new standards for electric SUVs. Will the 2024 Tesla Model Y have hardware 4.0? The big question regarding tech in this refreshed model is whether will it feature hardware 4.0. For those that don't know, this is the hardware that enables self-driving, which will be a huge deal if it does feature. Elon Musk did speak at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai earlier this year and stated he believed full self-driving modes will be available by the end of 2023. He was only speculating, but it's clear that Musk wants to drastically reduce the timeline of this technology, bringing it to the public as soon as possible. It may be worth waiting for the refreshed model to launch if you're considering purchasing a Model Y. Otherwise, you may find the current model depreciating heavily if outdated hardware is installed. Will Tesla improve the range of the Model Y? The Model Y is currently available with 3 different powertrains: a standard range AWD setup, long-range AWD, and performance AWD. The range of these individual specs has been criticized for the Model Y, so customers and the press will be hoping for amendments here. Tesla is always working on updating and improving their battery tech, most recently with the introduction of the 4680 cell, although we do still hope to see further range improvements on the 2024 Model Y. As we come to the thrilling conclusion of our journey through Elon Musk's tantalizing vision of the Tesla Model Y Juniper, one thing is unmistakably clear: the future of electric vehicles is poised for a revolution. The anticipation for the Model Y Juniper is not merely a wait, it's a countdown to a transformative chapter in automotive history. If you found our video informative, kindly like the video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.